Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new boat from Boston Whaler. This is the all-new 2019 160 Super Sport. Give you a little spec information on the boat. The boat is a 6-foot 10-inch beam. It has a draft hull only of about 10 inches with 15 degree of dead rise. So boat handles exceptionally well, but yet gets up into shallow water. Great go to the island boat. A few of the features that are predominant on the 16 Super Sport. You have a large anchor locker up in the bow. Also serves as drainable storage. You have a cooler seat in the middle of the boat that is removable. It can also be fashioned with a cushion for seating. As you move back to the seating area, you have the 19-gallon, that's an optional fuel tank we did on this boat. And you can also do a number of different seat configurations. You can do a bench cushion, you can do the hinged helm seats, which most people choose to do, and then you can also do the high back full-on bucket seats. Another great feature on the Super Sport is all the space for your beach chairs, coolers, dogs, water toys. All fits right here in the cockpit. And with the new hull design, you have the batwing design on the transom, which gives you a much bigger stepping area. And as you can see, we have this boat optioned out with the teak option on each side. The 16 also comes with the 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. So that's a quick walkthrough of our 2019 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. Again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Please give us a call, 910-256-8100.